Good morning, students. Last lectures we have seen SOP number 1, that is to create JavaScript program to accept integer and display the result by multiplying it with 3, also to accept two integer and display larger number of them, and to check whether user enter number is positive or negative. We have written these programs and I have given all these three code in the assignment. I hope you have written this practical. So today's lecture you are going to learn SOP number 2. Once again we'll see how to write a JavaScript program to accept two positive or negative number and check whether they are equal or not. This is the first code. Then second code will write to accept number and display square of it. And the third code we are going to write to check whether the accepted integer is multiple of 3 or multiple of 7. So let's start. So that you have to open Notepad or any text editor which is present in your computer and start writing the code. When you are writing any JavaScript program, you are going to enter JavaScript code into the HTML file. So that we are going to start with doc type HTML. This is the first tag of HTML file. Then you can write HTML head, then give title to your HTML program or JavaScript program. So here title we can give to check whether enter positive or negative numbers are equal or not. Now close the title tag. Once you finish giving title, then close the head tag and start with body tag. In this section you are going to use script tag. So script language equal JavaScript, because you are writing JavaScript program. Then you are going to declare the variable. So variable, while declaring, you are going to use the var keyword in JavaScript and then the variable. So we need two variable here. First variable to accept first number and the second variable to accept second number. So we'll take here two variable a and b. Then we need a prompt to accept integer. So that we are going to use a equal pass integer. This function required to convert the number, a string into the number, and then to display the prompt or the text box require prompt function. So here we'll use the prompt and we are going to write the message so user will understand what to enter in the text box. So we can write over here enter first number. Enter first number. So this is the first prompt will display when you run JavaScript program. For the first number you can enter over here. Second number also the same. So you can just copy and paste over here. So you can save your time and edit the text. Enter second number. Once displaying the prompt is over, then you have to start with the condition now. Here the condition will start to check whether enter integer is number or not. For that I am going to add the comments over here in JavaScript. When you are going to add the comments in JavaScript, you must use 2// and then you can write the comments. The comments are not executed things. This will not execute, only for understanding why we use this statement in JavaScript program. So here we can write to check whether enter value is number or not. Then we'll start the condition. So here we are going to use the if statement. If a less than 0 or a greater than 0 or a is equal to 0. The first condition, here we are going to check whether enter value is number or not. For that this condition is over. The next, and second number, that is b, less than 0 or b greater than 0 or b equal to 0. So once you finish entering this condition, the computer is going to check whether enter number is less than 0, greater than 0 or equal to 0. Similar way the second number also is going to find that way. So once you finish this statement, you are going to use the curly bracket, and next statement we are going to use over here. Before that we can use again comments over here. So we are going to use the 2// to check whether enter number are equal or not. Here we are going to check whether enter numbers are equal or not. For that reason we are going to use once again if statement. If a equal b, here while using equal sign you must use 2 times equal sign. Here we are going to check if a equal b means first number is equal to second number. Then we are going to print a message by using alert function. We can print number are equal, else we are going to use another message by using function alert, numbers are not equal, not equal. Else we can print another message, that is invalid number. Invalid number. Once all the conditions over, then you can close script tag and remaining all tag, that is body and HTML tag. Now save this program and give the name positive or negative. Numbers are equal. .html and save. Now run this program in a browser and check whether you are getting output or no. Open in browser. Now you got a output over here. Enter first number. Now we'll check the number, whether enter number is positive or negative, numbers are equal or no. So we'll enter first -2 and -2. Click OK. See, numbers are equal. Both negative numbers were there, that's why they're showing equal. Now both positive number we are going to enter. First number positive and the second number positive. So both numbers are equal. Now we'll enter different number, that is first 5 and then 6. So numbers are not equal. Suppose you enter any other character, first letter and second number, then the message will display invalid number, because first character was there, second integer number was there. So this program is code is correct. So I hope you understood this program. Now we will learn second code, that is to accept a number and display square of it. So open the text editor and make a new file and start writing the program. Now we'll write second program, that is to accept numbers and display square of it. Means whatever number you are going to enter, the computer should display the square of that number. So the first tag will remain same, that is exclamation doctype HTML. Second HTML. Third head. After head we are going to use title tag, and we'll write here program to find square of a number. Close the title tag. Close head tag. Then start with body. In the body section we are going to use the script tag, because we are writing JavaScript program. So script language equal JavaScript. Now here we are going to declare the variable. So variable A for entering number, and to display the square SQR will take. So here first variable is over and the second variable. Now we are going to display the prompt. So A equal pass integer, then we are going to use the prompt function. We'll print the message enter integer. Enter integer or enter number. Once displaying the prompt is over, then once the computer accept any number, it has to display the square. So that the square formula we are going to write here, square equal number into number. So a into a means number. We have displayed a prompt for the a variable. So here we are going to enter the number. That's why number into numbers means the square. Now we are going to display the message alert. Function will use to print the message. The square of a number is and then use the variable where you store the result, means the square. So we have store the result means the square in the sqr variable. So we have to write here sqr variable and then close the script tag. Once you close the script tag, remaining tag also you have to close, that is body tag and HTML tag. Save this program, put the file, click on save and write over here square dot html. Okay, once you save this program, run this program in a browser and check the output. So here the prompt is display asking you to enter number. So here you have to enter any number. For this you are going to find the square and click OK. So you will get the square of a number is 64 because I have entered number 8. Once again replace and check, enter any other number, suppose 10 and click OK. Then you will get a square of number is 100. So here we have finished the second code of that practical. Now one more code is left. There you are going to find to check whether the accept integer is multiple of 3 or multiple of 7. Let's check here what is asked. Say to check whether the accepted integer is multiple of 3 or multiple of 7. We have just now finished the first one and the second one. Now the third one we are going to write to check whether the accepted integer is multiple of 3 or multiple of 7. Once you finish all these three code, then the SOP2 will get over. So we'll write the code for that. Go to the file and click on new file and then start writing the basic tag. Doc type HTML. Save this file. Multiple of 3 and 7. Click on save. Now use HTML tag. And then give the title. Here we'll give the title multiple of 3 and 7. Then come to the body section and use script tag. Script language equal JavaScript. Then we have to declare the variable again by using var keyword. We need a variable for the number, so we'll use again a variable, or you can use any other letter a, b, c, or you can use number also. So here we are going to declare the prompt a equal pass integer, then prompt, then print the message what you want there, enter integer. Once the user enters integer, the computer has to check whether that enter integer is multiple of 3 or multiple of 7. For that we have to use the if statement. So if a, here you are going to use the modular sign, means here we are going to find out the remainder of that number. If you got a remainder of that number, then the number is multiple. So here a modular sign means percentage, and then use the number 3 equal 0, means if the remainder comes 0, then the number is multiple, and the number is again divide by 7, means modular sign again you have to use, equal 0. And if this condition found true, the message will display the entire number is multiple of 3 and 7. So that we are going to print a message by using alert function. Alert multiple of 3 and 7. So the first statement is over. Else, if not, then we are going to print another statement. Else if a modular sign and number 3 equal 0, means the number is only multiple of 3, then this statement will work. Then you are going to print a message, alert multiple of 3. Else if the multiple of 7, then you are going to write one more condition, that is a modulator sign 7 equal 0, alert message multiple of 7. Else alert message not multiple of 3 and 7. So you can write over here not multiple of 3 and 7. Now close the script tag. Then body tag and then HTML tag. Save this program and open in browser and enter the integer to check whether that integer is multiple of 3 or multiple of 7. So let's enter this number 6, click OK, the multiple of 3. Once again we'll refresh and check any other number, 21, multiple of 3 and 7. Once again we'll refresh, we'll enter number 8, not multiple of 3 and 7, means all the conditions are matching, means this code is correct code. It display the multiple of 3 or multiple of 7. The enter number is multiple of 3 or multiple of 7. So I hope you understood all these 3 code. Here we have finished SOP 2, that is write a JavaScript program to accept 2 positive or negative number and check whether they are equal or not, to accept number and display square of it, and to check whether the accepted integer is multiple of 3 or multiple of 7. This all three code will be given to you in assignment. You have to download this code and copy as it is in your journal. Thank you.